Hey everyone, welcome to Pixmaster. Today I'll show you how to build a stunning website with Google Antigravity. Alright, let's begin. First of all, you can see a sample of the website I have built with Google Antigravity. This website have, although all of the features like a stunning website should have. This is a video editing website I have created before. First of all, head over to New tab and search for Google Antigravity. Hit the first link. You can see here, there's option for download for Windows or explore my more cases. If you have Windows, then go for Windows. If you have any other, then explore use cases. Download for Windows. See your system specs and go for it. I'll go for x64 base. Okay? So, as you can see, I have downloaded before. I'll just open my software from my PC. Let's double click here. Right. This is the interface of Google Antigravity software. Just hit on Open Agent Manager from there or there, no matter. You can open Software Agent. Here, I'll show you a prompt you can use to create a stunning website. Alright, I'm pasting the prompt. You can get this prompt from this video's description. There are two things you can change. Complete one page, you can change the website type, okay? Then you can change the color, also. So I'm changing the website type to Web Optimization Site, or we can call it YouTube video downloader website. I'll change the color to electric blue and red. I'll keep the fast. If you have enough time, then go for planning. This will produce better results. Use Gemini 3 Pro High. And if you want to do with workspaces, if you want to work to keep stored, then go for workspaces. Otherwise, go for playground. It send. So now you'll just have to wait for the process to complete. Let's see. You'll just have to wait until the process finishes. You can see just welcome the styles. You see any error. Then retry. Alright. Just wait and look at screen of your system. It is developing the files for our website. Here's the trick. As you can see, here is a new Chrome page. Going with extension. Like the agent is running this. Alright. I have used the extension Antigravity browser extension. You'll see the pop-up inside the Google Antigravity software. Just hit OK and go for direct browser. Verify your website functionality. You'll see switch white. It's working. Here you can see the live YouTube feature downloader websites interface. And see, here is the prompt. You can hit download. This is the sample of the website. Wait for the process to complete. No hesitation. Many of yours can hesitate and should be. Just hit confirm if any pop-up fails. If it is not working, then scroll down there and hit confirm. Alright? Not panic, just relax and see the whole system. AI is working with self and creating a strong website for ourselves. Again, look at this polling agent. This tab, this is not working. So, just confirm on the left. Right. Just confirm again. The agent is verifying spinner visibility. Running again. Confirm where then you see this option. Confirm again. Alright, as you can see, our work is completed. The agency asked that I have completed the YouTube video download for website. It's fully functional with the mock-up backend simulation, responsive design, and follow pure Active Pro and Red static with glass morphism effects. A sec. Here's the link. Or you can call it a pad. Let's copy this. Add. Enter a browser. Here's the final output. And also, go find new tab and click Send. Here is our website. Alright? And see this? Why it is string website. It has a home feature, features tab, how to tab, FAQs to get started tab. Just take a look. YouTube videos past and travel. Convert and download YouTube videos in MP4, MP3 and HD quality extra. No software installation needed. Just paste your link here and hit download. Why choose as like pop-ups like the features, how it works. Copyright is preserved. Privacy policy CVH, thumbs up service page, contact page, extra. And call it the stunning website. Look how gorgeous it is. How cool it is. Sport, 1080p, 4K crystal clear MP3 audio. 100% secure. Acting fast. As you can see, our work is completed. Now, we'll just copy this path and open our system folders. I'm pasting this. I'm going back of it. Here's our app. Here are our folders. The agent generated for us. I'll go back. Playground folder. And just copy or remember the location for this. And now I'll show you how you can deploy this website. So here is one best method, or you can call it best tool. Like we should use the tool is the website is Cloudflare. Search for it. Click on it. Start for free. Cloudflare is verifying, like action, validation successful, dashboard is loading. I'll go for continue with Google. You can also go for email and password option, and it verify capture I'll go for continue with Google. I'll skip these options. You can choose to depart. And skip again. Now, here's the game. Go to the web sidebar. In the build section, click on Compute and AI, then Workers and Pages. Just click on Create Application and choose Upload with static files. Alright, so here are our static files. Just grab it and upload it. So, I uploaded my index.html file. I'll apply this. Just click Upload and apply. System is running. Speed bar in seconds or few minutes. All file is successfully uploaded. Cloudflare is working now. Alright. Automatic deployment on upload. Automatic deployment on upload. So, we have uploaded our site data to Cloudflare. I'll click on Visit. Now, you can see our website is officially on the internet. Okay? You can also see the HTTPS option. There it is. You can also buy custom domain, hosting, or your website. You can see, this is Liber King going. You can see. That's it. This is how you can create stunning websites and deploy them for free. I hope this video helped. This video got you. Hit like, hit subscribe. Remember to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.